Let me hit you with a truth that most people ignore. You're not running out of money, but every second that ticks away, that's gone, forever. Think about it. We all get 24 hours in a day. Same as Elon Musk. Same as Oprah. Same as the guy who's binge watching Netflix with no clue what he wants from life. The difference? It's not time, it's how we use it. You don't need more time. You need to stop wasting the time you already have. Let me ask you something real. How many hours did you spend last week scrolling your phone, lost in TikTok rabbit holes, watching people who are chasing their dreams, while you forgot to chase yours? Harsh, maybe. But sometimes, we need a wake-up call. And this is yours. Let's break this down. An average American lives about 78 years. Sounds like a lot, right? But subtract the first 18 years, school, childhood, trying to figure out how to be human. That leaves 60 years. Now subtract sleep. That's 1/3 of your life gone. You're down to 40 years of waking life. Work eats up another chunk. That's 40 hours a week, for decades. Family obligations, commuting, errands, boom, you're left with slivers of free time. So here's the uncomfortable truth. The time you actually control is shockingly small. And what do most people do with it? They waste it. They say, I'll start my business next year. I'll write that book when things calm down. I'll take that trip someday. I'll call my parents tomorrow. And then someday never comes. Tomorrow turns into next week. Next week becomes next year. And before you know it, you're staring down the final chapters of your life with a mountain of regrets. But here's the good news. You can flip the script. Time is the most valuable currency you'll ever own. And the people who win in life, they treat it like gold. They don't waste it on drama. They don't kill it with procrastination. They don't spend their evenings escaping. They spend them building. They understand this. Every hour is a chance. Every minute is a seed. Every second is an investment. So what are you doing with yours? You don't need to have it all figured out, but you need to start moving. Now. Not next Monday. Not after the weekend. Not on New Year's Day. Now. Want to get fit? Start walking. Want to write a book? Start writing a page a day. Want to build a business? Learn one thing today. Want to fix your relationships? Make the call tonight. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Make this moment perfect by taking action. Because here's the reality. The clock doesn't stop. Every second you waste is a second someone else is using to get better, smarter, stronger. While you hesitate, someone else is building. While you delay, someone else is winning. It's not about being lucky. It's about being consistent, disciplined, relentless. So the next time you're about to waste an hour doing nothing, stop. Ask yourself, is this moving me forward? Is this getting me closer to who I want to be? If I keep living like this for the next 5 years, will I be proud of who I become? If the answer is no, change it. Now, final truth. You can get rich. You can get strong. You can rebuild relationships. But the one thing you can never get back is time. So guard it like treasure. Spend it with intention. Use it to become someone your future self will thank you for. Because your clock is ticking, and your future is watching.